Hi YouTube, so I was actually filming this and my demon cat got in the way and she attacked me. It was sad. So I'm refilming this and in my last video I really didn't know what to say, I guess, so I'm just gonna roll the dice. I have the dice here. I got it at Origins. It's pretty sweet. So it's a 5. I'm not sure what that means actually. I'm kind of lost here. But I guess your question is, my cat is doing something really weird over there. I'm sorry. If you can see that, she's distracting me. But anyway, I guess your question is, have you ever been to the beach? Whoever you are that I'm asking this? Bye. Um, look, I have a bookshelf. It's pretty cool. I have lots of comics, because I'm a nerd. That weird glowing light behind me is actually my mouse. That's my demon cat. She's being nice right now. Usually she's crazy, but only when I'm on the phone. It's really weird.